guys, I'm Janet from Netizens ICT. What if instead of being the victim, you were the one stopping these cyber attacks? Imagine having the skills to protect companies, safeguard personal data, and outsmart cyber criminals. The demand for cybersecurity experts is skyrocketing, and businesses are willing to pay top dollar for the right professionals. We are welcoming the lucky cohort. At Netizens ICT, we equip you with the skills to defend, protect, and hack ethically through our cybersecurity and ethical hacking training program, designed for beginners and aspiring cybersecurity experts. Our instructors, they're not just teachers, they're industry-certified cybersecurity professionals with hands-on experience in real-world cyber defense.
I am Kishan Acharya. I am a cybersecurity professional and a trainer with the extensive experience in vulnerability assessment and penetration testing, including web app pen testing, API pen testing, as well as network infrastructure pen testing. So my long-term goal in joining the Netizens team as a cybersecurity tutor is to contribute to building the next generation cybersecurity. I am particularly excited about aligning my teaching approach with the goals and missions of Netizens team. So ensuring that the students are well prepared to face the real world cybersecurity challenges.
My name is Nyenokon Ekanem. I am the cybersecurity instructor at Netizens ICT. I teach young people, young professionals, cybersecurity as well as how they can merge cybersecurity and artificial intelligence to build a safer and more secure environment. Join us today to equip yourself with the knowledge, tools, and technologies that you need to become not just a seasoned cybersecurity professional, but one who is in the front line of helping us build a safer and more secure internet.
My name is Nazmul Saqib Tawfiq. I'm passionate about cybersecurity. I have worked as a cybersecurity tutor, and I'm also an expert. I'm focusing on real-world network security and threat analysis, and I'm not just certified, I'm also experienced. I'm also proficient in Linux, Pythons, and essential tools in cybersecurity. I have taught cybersecurity concepts to students of all levels, and I know how to make complex topics easy to understand. And I'm really excited about Netizens curriculum. My hands-on experience aligns perfectly with your course topics, from basics networking to advanced techniques and tools like Nmap, Netcat, SQL, XSS, password cracking, and many more.
My name is Umar. I have done my bachelor's in computer science. After that, I pursue my career as a cybersecurity engineer. I was working in Munich Technology, which is a software house. I was there as a penetration. I was working as a penetration tester there. After that, I switched to the Upsari Technology, which is another software house, and I was working there as a product security engineer. My long-term journey as a tutor of Netizens, I love to teach. I love to teach children and future generation warriors of cybersecurity. So I must encourage my students to pursue their career not only as a cybersecurity experts, but also explore some of the bug bounty field.
And it gets even better. We've partnered with the Ontario College of Management and Technology, OCMT, in Canada to give our students internships and real-world industry exposure, so you're not just learning, you're gaining practical experience that sets you apart in the job market. The demand for cybersecurity professionals is skyrocketing worldwide. Thousands of companies are looking for skilled experts like you. So, what are you waiting for? Take control of your future today. Click the button on this video to enroll now.